In front of me is VIVO IQOO Z8, and today I would like to show you how you can operate the voice recorder. Begin by opening Recorder app and tapping on this blue button at the bottom to start recording. You can pause it or unpause it using the same one. In order to add a bookmark, tap on the left one, and to end it and save it, on the right one. As you can see, recording was successfully created. To play it, click on it. To rename it though, you need to hold it instead. Click on Rename at the bottom in the middle and type in wherever you want to. Then select OK. Lastly, if you wish to get rid of your recording, hold it as well. But this time choose Delete at the bottom and confirm your choice in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!